Nope, too tight. I don't like working around with all these trucks and equipment. I can't see what's going on behind me. I know there's stuff back there, but I just don't know exactly where it is when I'm trying to level this out. I gotta go in a couple different directions. I did see the Amazon truck pull up about 15 minutes ago. I did order some mirrors for this thing, and they just happen to show up on time because I want to level this all out and do some backing up. So I got magnetic mirrors that will mount here, and I have a long skinny mirror which will mount right up here. Well, let me go get those things. Let's not mess around. I don't want to put a dent in a truck or trailer. Let's just go figure this out together. Okay, we are in luck. They did come in. The first mirror I got, the long one that's going to mount up top here. It's by Atwood. It's actually for boats. It's for water skiing, so you can see the guy behind you, and if he falls off, you know to stop. Then in this mystery box right here, these are the magnetic ones. They just stick right here. The description said that the magnets are really strong. We're gonna find out. Let's find a work surface to work on. Actually, I think what we'll do, we're going to dump all this crap out of the bucket right here. Gives me another excuse to play with the skid steer. I'm gonna raise this up. We'll use that as a table. We'll do an unboxing, I guess you call it. We'll see what's included. Well, I had to leave myself a little bit of room to climb out of here because I ain't going underneath it. I'm going over it. I'm not getting crushed by it. Okay, let's do a little unboxing right here on this perfectly made tool bench. We'll call it a tool bench. How about a bucket bench? All right, so let's open up this one here first. This is the Atwood water ski mirror. We have one on our boat. I love the thing. It's got the wide angle view. It should work. So it comes with the mirror. Comes with a mounting bracket, but I do see it, they don't include the screws. There's 2 screws that hold this up, and then the mirror clips onto here. It's very simple. I'll have to find 2 screws, but that's no big deal. Then let's see what we have here. These are the magnetic side view mirrors. I'm gonna try clipping on the arm. All right, so I guess there's a left and a right. There's one. Here's the other one. One's in the bag and one's not. I guess to keep them scratching each other. And, all right, so that'd be the right. Yeah, it is. There's a right and a left. 2 big magnets right here. Nothing's permanently mounted. If I hit a tree, they'll either pop off or fold in. They do fold in, so I think it's all gonna work. I'll be able to see behind me and not hit anything, I hope. All right, well, I say we start with the easy stuff first. Let's do these mirrors. Oh, let's see, I forgot which one goes where. Yep, okay, this is the left side. I usually travel with the boom pretty close to the ground because I don't want to flip over backwards or forwards. And I'm pretty tall, so I can see over the top of the arm when it's farther down. Right now, it's in workbench position. Remember that. It's not always gonna be this high. So my first instinct is just to put it as high as I can right here. Holy crap, those magnets are strong. Did you hear that? Holy crap, yeah. All right, so really strong magnets. Bonus. Of course, we're gonna have to adjust these when I get inside there, but for a first attempt, I'm gonna go with right there. All right, so done. Here's my trusty toolbox. I think I can fix just about anything out of here. I'm going to install this mirror, which is like a rear view mirror. It's kind of panoramic, it curves around, it'll give me a view of what's behind me. But all right, so first step, we got to install this bracket, and we're going to stick it up in the front on the steel roof liner. I have a Sharpie in my toolbox. There's 2 holes right here. I'm going to put it in place, mark those 2 holes with my marker, and then I'm going to grab the drill and drill a couple holes. So I'm just going to hold this bracket right up here. There's a flat part. I'm going to find the center. It's pretty simple. There's a grate right here. I'm going to mark it with my Sharpie, and I'll know exactly where to drill my holes. All right, comes my trusty tool bucket here and find the right size drill. That is not the right size drill. I don't know what the heck I was doing with that. But take that one out. I've got enough of the drill bit set here. Oh, get back here. That's a good one. That's a good size right there. I have some small bolts for it. Now, do y'all know about the turning the chock back 1 click to lock it? There's a big thing on social media not too long ago. You tighten it down and then listen, go backwards. 1 click. That locks it. That will never loosen up and have your drill bit fall out. Just learned that recently. I'm just going to get it started with my face down here. I want to get my face out of the way. Okay, here we go. We are started. All right, we have victory. We broke through. Drill bit worked. Hardest thing is to find a good drill bit. I did find 2 bolts. They're a little bit longer than what they were supposed to be, but it's okay. There's plenty of room up there. I'm not gonna be banging my head on it. It's a Phillips head on this side. I did find nylock nuts, which is awesome because the vibration of this, these will not come loose. So I have 2 of them. Let's go mount that bracket up in there, and then we mount the mirror to the bracket, and we're done. Sometimes I feel like I have these big fat butterfingers when I'm dealing with these little screws and nuts, but it all works out in the end. I'm just glad I'm not going to be smashing into somebody's house going backwards, or my own truck even worse. Okay, it's time to get the impact driver and the wrench and tighten that up. Hey, look, it even has a charged battery. But we got the wrong bit in here, so take that one out. Back to my trusty toolbox. Oh no, gotta find what you need. Here's one. There you go. Stick that in. Good to go. Got my screwdriver, got my wrench. Let's do this. One more to go. And the Dugga gun. Oh, click, click. As old Ray would say, click, click means it's tight enough. That's not going anywhere. So this has a big fat thumb wheel. Unscrew that, put it back in here. It just keys into the back side of this bracket we just put up there. And then tighten it up right here. That's all it is. So here we go. So take off this big fat thumb wheel. I'll show it to you in a second. Oh, it's actually just a nut. Sort of nut. Come on. There you go. That's all it is. Just a knurled nut. So you can tighten it and adjust this thing. Put that on there like so. Put the nut back on. Easier said than done sometimes. It does have splines. You can move it around on these splines so you can adjust the angle to match out your back window. Oh my God, hell yeah. I should have done that in the very beginning. I can see everything back here. The last thing we have to do is just grab a pair of pliers and tighten up that thumb wheel that we just installed. It's on the back side. I can't even see it. I'll find it. Okay, well that's all done. That looks good. I like that. I can highly recommend that for somebody. But look what I did. Let's just take care of this mess right now. That's it. I'm cleaned up. So the last aspect we have to do is I'm going to start the skid steer up, get this to my travel position, and then have a buddy right here grab the mirrors and adjust them while I'm sitting inside, saying up, down, left, right, and just get them all squared up.
Howdy, gang. I'm the buddy.
Hey, buddy. Down a little bit.
Down?
Yeah. So I realized we were able to turn off the skid steer and get rid of that rattling noise, so I'm not yelling, God, higher, lower, left, right. It's noisy. All right, so anyway, this one has to go in and down a little bit. That's perfect. That's good. Oh my God, I don't know why we didn't do this, Sora, right off the bat. Both these side mirrors plus that mirror, I won't hit anything unless I'm being a dummy. All right, we got these things installed. Let's go try it out and see how it works. Just saw one more thing that we can do to make this perfect. That back window is disgusting. I don't think anybody's cleaned that thing in years. So I'm gonna go get some soap and water and a rag or whatever, some glass cleaner, and we're gonna clean that back window off. Well, as you can see, these are filthy and dirty. Time to clean them up. Okay, so now that we have the mirrors installed, 1, 2, 3, glass is clean. I can see what's going on behind me. I'm not going to smash into a truck, a trailer, a tree stump out there. Let's finish this work. Let's just get this done. I want to fill in this spot right here. Then there's other stuff we're gonna go do in the back. It's time to go. Let's get it done. I will never get tired of this skid steer.